Excerpts from the Timelessness by the Second Elder Azavot Mahariya. Act with your whirl of power. Within the person there is a concealed white whirl, protogenic and invincible. It is composed of the dynamic of the primordial power. This whirl is the pure and white consciousness of the person itself, the primordial consciousness. This whirl is the key of the person. Aim it towards every difficulty. If every bird who is in the cage of time came to know the name of the white whirl, and if it repeated, "I want freedom, freedom," then the doors of the cage would soon be open,